In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer for Assassin's Creed Shadow to activate cheats like ultimate health, strength advantages, and other gameplay features. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under standalone versions, select the first link. Once download done, go to downloads, double click on the exe and select yes option. You need to launch the game. Once you are in game, press the escape key and alt tab to open this trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. Infinite health, infinite oxygen, restart time. So once you turn on the cheats you like to use, minimize this and get back to the game. So you guys, I turned on the infinite health. As you can see, the trainer is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.